Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I want to talk to you about a foldable phone that I have. Now this one is actually really special. It's not this one. This is the Samsung Galaxy Fold with 512 gigabytes. But I actually have the first phone that is a foldable 512 gigabyte phone. They do make a 1 terabyte version of this, but I didn't get the phone in time for recording, so we're just gonna have to deal with 512 gigabytes. Now I had to do a lot for this, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and let's get started. So this is the foldable phone. You can see it flips up like this, and then it flips down. Now you may be asking, well, what about the memory? Okay, so let's go into here, skip through all this. Let me go into the settings. I don't know where it is. Okay, here is the storage, and boom, look at that. Okay, so obviously this is an April Fool's joke, but there is some truth to this. Now this phone, because I did not do my research, does not support a 1 terabyte card, or something that I actually have, a 512 gigabyte card. Which kind of sucks because there is an area to put the memory card in here. It runs like some type of Android based operating system or whatever, but I didn't do enough research to see that it does not support a card like this. I believe what I'm looking for is a phone that supports micro SD XC, which I thought this one did, but I was completely wrong. So the phone that I actually had was a Kyocera Dura XV LTE, and that phone actually supported a 512 gigabyte memory card. Now I haven't tested it with a 1 terabyte card, but I would assume that it would work the same way if it does support 512. It reads that it has like 477 or something like that, but either way, the point is that it does read that card. The funny thing is if you go on Verizon's website, it says it supports 64 gigabytes and that's it. But obviously we have proven that that is not true. It kind of sucks because I kind of wasted my money on this one. Now this is obviously an April Fool's joke. And the funny thing is the trick is on me. So even though this phone has a processor that should support this card, you can see that it actually does not. So in a way I lied. This ZTE phone right here is not the first foldable 0.5 terabyte phone. But they do make those. And the Galaxy Fold, the Royale Flex Pi, and the Huawei Mate X are not the first ones that support it. If you're talking about built-in memory, yes, this clearly is not the first phone for that. But if you're talking about a memory card, this still is not the phone for that. But the Kyocera Dura XV LTE does. So that's pretty much it for the video. But I guess let's just do an unboxing of this. So this phone that we have here is a ZTE Symbol LTE. I don't know how to pronounce that. There's a plane going over, so we'll wait a few seconds. Okay, so it has a 2.8 inch display, a 2 megapixel back camera, a 1500 milliamp battery. Normal stuff. Nothing too crazy. So I am not that smart, and this is actually the prepaid version, so I can't even use this phone. See, it says phone must be activated on Verizon wireless prepaid service. I have Verizon, but I already tried calling them and they said that they can't do anything. So yeah, obviously the color is silver. Expandable memory, 4 gigabytes up to 32. Surprisingly, this is very true. I tried a 64 gigabyte memory card and it did not do anything at all, just like the 512. 1 gigahertz quad core processor, I think it's 1.1, I don't know, I may be wrong. 4.44 ounces. Okay, Jay-Z. Alright, so, spoiler alert, I already opened this. Like that. I ripped that, oops. Okay, well, let's open that up. Hit the camera a few times, I guess. Alright, now here is the box. And we have the phone right here. We have a charger. I think this is 5 volts, 800 milliamps. Yeah, 5 volts, 800 milliamps. That is super slow. But it's a flip phone, so it doesn't really matter. This is a micro USB plug. Looks pretty short. Here's the info book on how to activate your phone and some tips and stuff like that for the phone. Blah, blah, blah. And here is the battery. This is a 1500 milliamp battery, like I said before. And here is the phone. So this phone has a removable back, and look at that, it even has a 3.5 millimeter jack. Back comes off, battery goes in like this, and then we can power this bad boy on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this April Fool's video. I know you guys enjoyed it last year, so I thought that I should make another one. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much, because not a lot of people will. Most people would actually leave a comment as if they watched the video, which, actually, yeah, go ahead. Leave bad comments. I don't mind. Just only on this video, I guess. I don't know. Either way, let me know what you think in the comment section below or on Twitter at @MattofRWR, and feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. I'll be making videos like this once a year on April Fool's Day, so look forward to that. I also make review videos and repair videos as well. And hit that bell button so then YouTube will remind you when those videos do come out. But I do come out with a video every Sunday. Thanks for watching.